How to redeem Vanilla gift card online. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can redeem your Vanilla gift card online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in vanillagift.com. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now make sure that you have tapped on the three dot icon on your top right and check the box that says desktop site. Once done, make sure that you are signed into your account. To do that, simply tap on the sign in icon at the top right corner. Here, simply type in your email address. Once done, enter your password and tap on sign in. In case you don't remember your password, tap on forgot your password and get help resetting your account. In order to redeem your Vanilla gift card, tap on the icon that says check balance. Here, simply type in your card number, your card's expiration date, and your CVV. And once you're logged into your Vanilla gift card account, follow the on-screen prompt to redeem your gift card. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload. And just like so, this is how you can do it.